channel. I'm Helma and I'm going to share with you simple, tasty and incredible recipes that would impress your friends. I hope you come along with me in this journey. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a Brazilian recipe. It's called Queijadinha and it's made with coconut and Parmesan cheese. It's very delicious. But I want you to try and let me know what do you think. Let's go to the step by step. I'm gonna make this recipe on a blender. First I'm gonna put the cheese, because I don't have grated. I'm gonna grate it in mine, but you can use grated. Actually, I decided to buy the whole piece instead of grated because I like the flavor better when you do it yourself. Watch out for the noise now. Now I'm just gonna add the other ingredients. I'm gonna put the wet ingredients first. Now I'm gonna put the condensed milk, 1/4 of melted butter. I put real butter, but you can use margarine if you want. Now we put the dry ingredients, 2 cups of coconut, and 1 cup of the cornmeal. We're ready to go. This time I'm gonna use this just to mix everything. And let's do it. Looks like it's done. I'm glad that you didn't need to hear all the noise that this machine made. Woohoo! It's ready to go to the oven. So I'm gonna bake in 350 for about 30 minutes, but I will keep an eye on it. It might be ready in 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll put a timer for 20 and go for more. See you soon. Our muffins are ready. Look at this. Beautiful. It's just delicious. I'm dying away to have the taste of the coconut with the Parmesan. Gives you a different taste, but because of the cornmeal, you taste that corn too. It's just delicious. I just want to say thank you very much for all my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys making comments and liking my videos. So please, if you did like this one, click the like button, comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks again and bye-bye. You should try this. It's amazing.